We have three different pictures here, and my question to get us warmed up is which of these could represent 20 divided by 4? Pause this video and see if you can figure that out. All right, so let's go through each of these, and actually let's think about what each of them could represent. So how many total circles do we have in this picture right over here? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 4 groups of 4, so 4, 8, 12, 16. So this looks like 16 circles divided into, we could view it as divided into groups of 4. Or we could actually also view it as divided into 4 equal groups, because both of those are true, and we see that that is going to be equal to 4. So this one over here, it's really representing 16 divided by 4, not 20 divided by 4. Now what about this one? Well, let's see. Here it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this looks like 25 circles divided into groups of 5, or divided into 5 equal groups, which is, of course, equal to 5. So this is 25 divided by 5, not 20 divided by 4. Now, but what about this one? So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So we definitely have 20 circles there. And we have divided it into 4 equal groups. We have divided it into 4 equal groups. And so that's exactly what we're talking about, or what we started talking about. This is 20 divided by 4. And you can see when you take 20 and divide it into 4 equal groups, then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles per group. And we're done.